Hi everyone, I have built this custom Shopify product section for one of my clients' project. Let's break down this why it's good for CRO optimization in a store that boosts sales. Okay, first of all, if we enter this product page, we can have a clear visual hook like images, benefits with clean icons, uh, and everything. Also, we will get into the package and subscription thing later. Okay, then we have added a price strategy like one pack, two pack. If users buy more than one pack, they will get some discount. And also we have added subscription section. It's totally custom built. So this subscription will help store owners to get some recurring revenue for their product. Okay, and then we have put the clear benefits on top of the page. So sometimes we add these benefits under this rating section, but we have added it just uh, between the product and the in product information sections. These all benefits are customly added by store merchants. Okay, then we have these benefits or these clear values as well. And we have added some social proof or to trust signals just beside the add to cart buttons. Under this, we have added a scarcity like in stock ready to ship. And also we have added a review, a real review. Also we have added two images. These two images also are dynamic. It can be varies from product to product. Okay, so we have added a countable success rate like 98% that builds more trust. Also, these are Trustpilot images reviews. Okay, also these materials under this will um, provide a clear description of the material of this product. Okay. These materials also coming from a meta field. That means merchant can change them from Shopify admin panel. There is no need to have uh, developers change it. Okay. I hope uh, this video will help you uh, in your store building. Thank you.